shining, hearts of gold. Through the challenges we face every day, believe in yourself, let the doubts fade away. Hold your head up high, let your spirit soar. Together we'll rise, stronger than before. Believe in yourself, in the magic you hold. With your courage and talent, let your story be told. Believe in yourself, let your voice be heard. Tiny divas, believe you can change your world. Through the highs and lows and the melodies we weave, tiny divas, it's time to believe in the power of friendship and the beauty of your soul. Believe in yourself, let your spirit control. Stand tall, be brave, let your heart lead the way. Together we'll shine in the light of day. Believe in yourself, in the magic you hold. With your courage and talent, let your story be told. Believe in yourself, let your voice be heard. Tiny divas, believe you can change your world. Every step you take, every dream you chase, tiny divas united, we embrace. With the strength inside, there's nothing you can't do. Believe in yourself, and you'll see it through. Rise up, take flight, let your dreams come alive. Together we'll soar, reach for the sky. Believe in yourself, in the magic you hold. With your courage and talent, let your story be told. Believe in yourself, let your voice be heard. Tiny divas, believe you can change your world. Believe in yourself, let your light shine bright. Tiny divas, believe in the power of your mind.
Wala ka ma-recharge yung mga kaugalingon. So tinuod yun agay nga nature heals everything. Makapawala sa imong stress ug makapawala sa mga gibati sa imong lawas, no, kay ma-burn man mga fats nimo, cholesterol, no, mga sugar nimo. I-burn out man na kay panington magbugbog. So ana ni siya, guys, no. See, mo ni sapa, guys, mo ni sapa pero na-stuck up na. So at least day na dalan diri, oh, nice na kanay dalan. So arita diri, guys, ato gining suroyon, guys, namang ko'y tanawon, guys. So mo ni ari ko din dapita. So mas better may ganun tanawon mo sa personal, no, para mabawan nimo ba. Ay, sa una ari ko diri magsigig lamaw sa butong, karon wa nay butong. Mo lana na si lola badong sa ubos nga nay balay dira. Di lang gyud makita ang balay badong diri. Yeah. So ito na agagian ko mamila, guys. Guwapa kayo. Guwapa kayo. Sorry.